So the battery is not charging on my little Manitou MT625 telehandler, which I've not had very long. I don't think it's been doing it since I've had it. So I'm going to change the alternator. Now I'm pretty sure it's not charging, and I'm going to show you how I'm sure that it's not charging with a little trick with a voltmeter. So I've got my multimeter connected to live from the starter and earthed out here, grounded, and it's currently reading 12 volts, near enough. Now when the engine is running, normally a charging system works around thereabouts 14ish volts. So let me start it up and we'll see what it's doing. So now we've got the engine running. You can see we're at 12.7ish volts roughly. So it's charging a bit, but it's definitely not charging what it should be. It should be running sort of 13.5 to 14 volts roughly when it's charging. Right, so it's charging a tiny bit, but it's definitely not charging like it should be. So here's the alternator down here. I'm going to whip it off. I've already got a new one. We've got this bolt here, which is the adjustment and tension bolt, and then there's another one down the bottom here which takes it off, and then it's just a plug on the back, and this which is on a 10mm by the looks of it. 10mm nut, little plug, 12mm bolt here, and that looks like about 14mm. So let's whip it off quickly, stick the new one on. Got to mention, before you take the alternator off, you need to disconnect or isolate the battery. So this one here has an isolator, so very easy off, but make sure you do that so you don't short it out. Right, let's get it off this time. That's both the plugs off. There we go. One alternator off. Really easy. One terminal here, one plug there, tension bolt, and the bolt that holds it. So here's our new box. I haven't actually looked inside it yet. Hopefully we have got the correct thing. Usually they come without the... oh, even better. Quite often they come without the pulley, and you have to take the pulley off the old one. But this one even comes with a pulley on. Amazing. Right, let's put it on. So there we go, one alternator fitted. Belt has a bit of tension. Right. Let's turn the isolator back on. There we go. We have 12 volts. Right, let's start it up and see what's happening.
There we are. We've now got 13.5 volts. Good to go. Sorted.